Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's Chandra here and welcome in my YouTube channel. This is my new segment in my videos in my channel. The playlist or the segment is Let's Practice Together. I'm speaking and you listening. This segment is I'm learn to speak my English because I want to practice and I want to be better every single day. And I hope we can learn together. I can practice my speaking and you can practice your listening. And if you found my mistake in my speak, you can correct me in below in the comment. I'm appreciate it for you if you correct me if I'm wrong, and this is my new segment in my channel YouTube. Yeah, I want to start this segment with the why I'm learn English and why I want to can speaking English in fluency. This is a funny reason because actually I'm learning English, I'm learning speaking English, I'm learning listening English because I wanna to watching movies without subtitle. Because watching movie with subtitle, I mean that's distract for me because I can't see, I can't watch the full frame in the movie. I can't enjoy the frame by frame because I must do reading the subtitle in the below video like this. I'm see below, but the video in the you understand what I mean. Yeah, that's it. And the second reason why I'm learning English because I want to open my opportunities in my skill language. Let you think, if you can English language, you can learn more than you don't know English language. Yeah. I'm sorry. My English is so bad, but you can correct me if I'm wrong, and I'm really appreciate it if you correct me if I make a mistake. Yeah, I want to open my opportunities with my skill language. If I can speak in English language, I can learn in the more search. I can learn in the English people, I can learn in the Japan people because English is an international language. Yeah. And the third reason why I'm learning English language because I wanna traveling out the country. I wanna visit a Japanese, I want to America, I want to Maldives. If I out in the country or I visit in the other country, I must to can communicating in the people there. Yeah. Yeah. You understand what I mean? Yeah. And because the communicate is important. Yeah. I mean that's my reason why I'm learning English. In the segment, in the next videos, I will upload videos about English language, about conversation with my friends, with my family maybe, and the other I will some content videos. I will a conversation with other people in the other countries. Boom. Yeah. I hope you can learn something in this video and this my content. And if you want my mistake in this video. I very appreciate it if you send your critics in the comment column below. Yeah, that's it. I hope we can meet again. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye. Peace.